Today I will guide you how to set up this Rubik safe. This is the smallest size they have. It's portable, it can be fixed on the wall, and it is very easy to use. So let's start how to set it up for the first time. The safe comes with the two keys. It is very important to remember that these keys should never be kept inside the safe. If someday your batteries are finished or you forgot the password, you will need these emergency keys to open the safe box. So let's start. This is the key compartment. So you will insert the key, push it little bit, turn to left. This much left is okay, and with the other hand you will turn the knob and open the safe. Once you open the safe, you can remove these corner cushions. Do not try to pull it off before you open the door, otherwise door may jam. That's all. Now let's see how to open with the pin code, okay, and how to change the pin code. So now the safe is locked, so the default code is 159E. Green means it's open. All right, now if I want to change the password, I have to wait. When this light is off, now I can change the password. I will show you, very easy. So here is the button. This label you can see, here is the button. This button you have to push it little bit, and then you will hear the beep sound. Once you hear the beep sound, you can enter the new code. For some similar models, there might, if button is not here, it will be either here or inside the battery compartment at this place. So for this particular model, the button is here. All you have to do is press it once, little bit hard. I will show you with my thumb. You can hear a beep. This light is on. Now I can enter the new password, example 1 2 3 4, and enter to confirm. This operation should be done within 6 seconds. So within 6 seconds, how I have to do? I have to press this button. Once I hear the beep, I have to enter 1 2 3 4, enter, and my new password is now 1 2 3 4. Now let's see. First we try the old password. Old password was 159, not working. Now I try the new password, 1 2 3 4. It's working. All right, please also remember, if the batteries are weak, or if you try to use the normal batteries which are not alkaline, your password may not save and your password may not work. So it is very important to always use the new and the alkaline batteries only. Thank you.